Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this video cutout transition on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select like two videos, I guess. Let's see, which one do I, okay. I am going to select this video and this video. And I'm going to kind of do it like at the end of it. So here I actually want to like freeze frame that, and I'm going to add it here. And then I'm going to go to cutout and I'm going to select auto cutout on the second one. And I'm going to actually make it a little bit smaller than that. I'm going to then go to basic and I'm going to add a keyframe at the beginning here. And then I'm going to just place it like down here. Okay, maybe I should add it at the second part first. And then at the beginning, I'm going to like put it here where you can't see it. And then when the video wants to start, it has this really cool cutout video transition, and that is it. It is as simple as that. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.